Did you get your hands dirty?
No.
Not yet? Are you been working? Okay guys, this is it. Today is the first day we're gonna start taking this car apart, and I will show you guys the whole process. Just to remind you, this is a 2011 Porsche Panamera 4S. But before we do that, I want to introduce you guys to one more person who will be helping me dismantling this car. This is my son Nicodemus. How old are you?
10.
And so, what do you know about cars?
Practically nothing.
Nothing. I mean, we drive cars.
I know that.
You know that, right?
Yeah.
So I want to teach my son. His name is Nicodemus, and this is my little girl Aviva. I want to teach my son how to work on cars, dismantling cars. So if you guys have your kids around, show them this video, and I will take my son through the process of dismantling this car. For example, if we want to take this taillight, I will teach him how to take taillights off the car, door panels, mirrors, wheels. So Nicodemus, are you excited?
Yeah.
Your hands will be really dirty.
I know that.
You know that? And you might get hurt. You might hurt yourself too.
Yeah.
Yeah? Ready for that?
Yeah.
So before we start the car, we're gonna lift up the car. So as you guys can see, it's really low. And I have this cool jack that I just purchased right here. This is an airbag jack. So Nicodemus, take it towards the back of the car. Take it over there. What you do, you gotta connect the air. So now, Nicodemus, every car has a special place right here underneath where you have to put the jack. There's a special place, and we're gonna put our jack underneath that place, the spot. The problem is it's sitting a little low, so I'm gonna have to lift up a little bit. Девочка, отойди.
Ready?
Not yet. Okay, Nicodemus, let's go get some wooden blocks. We have a place over there. Let's grab some. And blocks like this. We have to lift up the car from every angle. Okay, so Nicodemus, now we have to lift the car up because we don't have enough space to put our jack underneath, so we're gonna do it little by little. We're gonna put the blocks and then move the jack a little bit further away. For example, I can put it under the wheel like this, a little bit more, and now I can change the position of the jack. Let me see if I can get from the middle. Do we have anything to lift up from the middle? We do. Let's try that. Towards the middle. There we go. Underneath, I put it under differential, and I'm gonna lift the whole rear end of the car. Okay. Nicodemus, you have to put the blocks, and we're gonna drop it on the blocks so we can work on the car. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the best location, a place for me to put the blocks in, and I will use this metal floor right here. Let's see. Okay, it's got a bigger support right here, so you can come closer, you can look at it. See? Okay, so now go check it out where I put the blocks. Do you see what I put the blocks? Don't keep your hands on the block. Okay, you have to be very precautious because jacks can drop too. So okay, so this is, you see what the blocks? Okay, we're gonna go to another side. You're gonna grab the blocks. No, not these blocks, other blocks. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So you want to be very careful. But because we don't have enough room, I will drop the car down. And I will move the jack on this side. Now we can drop the car. Okay, are we close enough? Okay, now we have to lift up the front too and put it on the blocks. Okay, bring some more blocks. We have to lift up the front too. Let me see. Some bigger blocks here. So guys, before we start working on the car, we want to lift it up so we can actually start taking apart. That's what I'm using the blocks to do that. Okay, we need some more blocks. Do we have more blocks? Okay. So our wheels off the ground on this side, and grab a block on the other side. Let's go on the other side. What? Also, Nicodemus, on this side, same thing. Here is a place for the jocks. You got it? Okay, so next time you'll know.
Only by a wheels?
Pretty much. So we will have to do some adjustments if we need to, but for now I think we're good. Okay, Nicodemus, so now, as you can see it, we've done lifting the car up, and I believe it's pretty secure for us to work around the car, right there. So, really solid blocks of wood. Here's underneath the car a little. Okay, did you get your hands dirty?
No.
Not yet? Are you been working?
No.
No, not yet.